dear learners, welcome to the induction meeting from the BA Geography program at Institute of Distance and Open Learning, IDOL, University of Mumbai. Myself, Dr. Pranati Bhimrao Sonole, Faculty of Geography at Institute of Distance and Open Learning under the umbrella of University of Mumbai. So, dear learners, this is your first induction meeting for BA Geography. So let me first introduce you to the IDOL website, which is service as a mean to download your study material, syllabus, examination and other notification. We are also connected with you through Telegram and WhatsApp app channels, Facebook page and YouTube channels. Check your registered email IDs for the link. So my dear learners, let's see how BA Geography program proceed in IDOL. Discipline. BA Geography falls under the discipline of humanities. Let us now look at the academic year distribution for BA Geography program. This program is divided into 3 academic years, FYBA, SYBA and TYBA. Each part has 2 semesters in each academic year, making a total of 6 semesters. Like for FYBA, first and second semester, for SYBA, third and fourth semester, and for TYBA, fifth and sixth semester. So this is about your 3 years of academic distribution. Moving on to the educational pattern, IDOL follows CBCS, that means Choice Based Credit System. Semester pattern and grading and evaluation occurs at the end of each semester. Benefits of CBCS includes student-centric education, flexibility in course selection, global standard alignment, and the ability to study at different times and institutes. Dear learners, no entrance test is required to seek admission at IDOL. Eligibility criteria is HSC in any stream like arts, science, and commerce. So, what is the medium of instruction? All programs of IDOL are offered in English as well as in Marathi. Dear learners, as already mentioned, IDOL connects with its learner through various channels like Telegram, WhatsApp app and Facebook page. Moreover, counseling sessions are scheduled after joining the Telegram group. Let's now talk about the PCP sessions, Personal Contact Program, divided into counseling PCP and subject-oriented PCP sessions. Counseling PCP sessions are conducted online and subject-oriented PCP sessions are available online for English medium and Marathi medium students. These sessions include induction, doubt solving and exam guidance. Faculty and professors are engaged in teaching and evaluation process. Learners can reach out through Telegram, emails, or personal visit. Dear learners, now you must be thinking how we will study, from where you will get your notes and so on. You don't have to worry at all. Its self-learning material is available for your rescue in the form of hard copy as well as soft copy. The soft copy PDF format is available on IDOL's website and hard copy can be collected upon the completion of admission procedure. Now let us come to the most awaited topic about which you all must have been several questions in your mind. Yes, the examination system. Examinations are conducted in offline mode. Exams are based on theory and are worth of total 100 marks. Exam papers are available in both languages, English as well as Marathi. Minimum passing marks are 40% in both the external and internal exam. Learners who fail or are unable to attempt any course paper in semester can carry it over the next semester until semester 4. The result is held up until all the semesters are clear. So this is all about the basic information of BA Geography course. So with this, let us now proceed towards the syllabus overview of BA Geography. As I have already mentioned in the beginning of this lecture that BA Geography is divided into 3 academic years. Each set has its own number of course papers to complete. In Sem 1, there is only one course. Each course is worth 4 credits point. The total marks for each course is 100. So this is the course in Sem 1, Physical Geography Paper 1, total marks 100, credit points 4. For 100 marks in theory paper, 10 questions will be asked. Out of 10, you have to solve 5 questions which each for 20 marks. Coming to Sem 2, in Sem 2, so here again one course, each course is worth 4 credit points. The total marks for each course is 100. Course in Sem 2, Physical Geography, paper number 2, total marks 100, credit points 4. So here I want to mention very important note to you all that you have 100 marks paper for Sem 1 and Sem 2, but you don't have internal exams for FYBA and SYBA. In your syllabus, the fifth unit is of practical, so we will ask 20 marks question on that and rest on the other unit for 80 marks. So it will be total of 100 marks paper. No internal exams for FY and SY, no project work also. So I think I am clear from my side for Sem 1 and Sem 2. Moving ahead to BA Geography Part 2, that is Sem 3 and Sem 4. Sem 3 offers you 2 courses, each course carries 4 credit points. The total marks for each course amount 100. Sem 3, Human Geography, paper number 1, total marks 100, credit points 4. Geography of India, total marks 100, credit points 4. Sem 4 course introduced 2 types of courses, Human Geography, total marks 100, credit points 4, and Geography of Maharashtra, total marks 100, credit points 4. So now moving ahead with the last year of TYBA, which will help you in completion of BA in Geography. Dear learners, in semester 5 and semester 6, some students have taken Geography as a major subject with 6 papers in Geography, while some students have opted for 3 papers. The distribution for 6 paper of Geography for Sem 5 is Settlement Geography, paper number 4, Population Geography, paper number 5, Tools and Techniques in Geography for Special Analysis, paper number 6, that is for 80 marks and 20 marks internal for journal and viva. Regional Planning and Development, paper number 7, Geography of Mitigation and Management, paper number 8, and Geospatial Technology, paper number 9, that is of practical for 80 marks and 20 marks for internal exams for journals, viva and project. Now for them, paper number 6 and paper number 9, which are practical papers, these papers have journals and viva exams and project work, which is compulsory. Without certified journals, you are not allowed to sit for the examination. So for the journals, you will get the journal material and the questions for solving it on your email ID, Telegram group as well as online lectures. You will get the details time to time. Now let us talk about the learners who have opted for 3 papers in Geography, Sem 5, Settlement Geography, paper number 4, Population Geography, paper number 5, Tools and Techniques in Geography for Special Analysis, paper number 6. For 80 marks and 20 marks internal for journals and viva. For the combination taken students, these 2 theory papers and 1 practical paper is compulsory. Same as for all, practical paper number 6, journals and viva exam will be conducted for the same year. Is now no project work for the paper. I hope I am clear till this 5th semester for you. Now coming to the semester 6th, which is your last semester, the distribution for 6 papers of geography is as follows. Environmental Geography, paper number 4, Geography of Tourism and Recreation, paper number 5, Tools and Techniques in Geography for Special Analysis, paper number 6, that is for 80 marks, 20 marks internal for journal and viva. Economic Geography, paper number 7, Biogeography, paper number 8, and Research Methodology, paper number 9, practical, that is for 80 marks, 20 marks internal for journal, viva and project. For the students opting 3 papers, following papers are offered. Same 6, Environmental Geography paper number 4, Geography of Tourism and Recreation paper number 5, and Tools and Techniques in Geography for Special Analysis paper number 6, practical paper, that is for 80 marks and 20 marks internal for journal and viva. So I hope now I am all clear about all the semesters and subjects combinations which you have taken. Apart from this, there is one interesting point I want to take a note of. Have you heard about ABC? The last and the important point of accordance to learners is to understand what is ABC account. It is Academic Bank of Credit. ABC under the Ministry of Education helps in the students' mobility and integrations of skill and experiences into credit-based system. Credit achieved in BA Geography programs are added to ABC account. These credits can be used for admission and further studies in India and abroad. It is compulsory to register and create your account as a student. So dear learners, you can check other informative details on IDOL website. If anyone has further questions or need assistance on their educational journey, they can always turn to IDOL for support. I hope this comprehensive explanation of BA Geography program and structure and components has indeed provided a clear understanding. We will stay in touch through our various communication channels. IDOL is wishing you an update professional development. Thank you.